Hello, second graders. Today we are going to be creative, and for our assignment today, you are going to make your own bar graph. So you're going to have to grab a piece of paper, and it can be a blank piece of paper, it can be a notebook piece of paper, but you do need to grab a piece of paper, and then you will also need crayons or markers because I want you to make your graph also very colorful. So the first thing you need to do is you need to come up with a topic for your bar graph. So you need to think of a question. What do you want to ask people? So I came up with a couple here. You can use my questions or you can come up with your own. But I have, what is your favorite food? What is your favorite sport? What kind of ice cream is your favorite? And what is your favorite TV show? The question that I chose for my bar graph was, what is your favorite food? So that is my question on the next slide. On this slide, then I came up with my choices. So I know that I'm going to be asking people what is their favorite food, but then I have to think of some options of food. So these were the options of food that I chose: tacos, pizza, burgers, spaghetti, and hot dogs. Okay, on my next slide here, this slide is where I collected my data. So what I did was I called a bunch of people. I called my mom and my dad, and I asked them what their favorite food was. And then I called some of my friends and I asked them what their favorite food was. And I collected the data by using tally marks there. So as you can see, after I was done collecting data, I found out that 4 people liked tacos, 2 people liked burgers, 1 person liked hot dogs, 7 people liked pizza, and 1 person liked spaghetti. So then I'm going to use this data here, and I am going to make a bar graph with this data. So on my next slide will be a bar graph. Here you go. Here's my bar graph. As you can see on here, I put the numbers on the side. So I did 1 through 10. Okay, then on the bottom here, I did my choices, put those on the bottom, and then I filled in my bar graph. So if you remember, when I collected data, 4 of my friends liked tacos. 2 of my friends liked burgers. 1 person liked spaghetti. 7 people liked pizza, and 1 person liked a hot dog. So this is a picture of my bar graph. I would like you to do the same thing. Make it very colorful and neat. And when you are done, you're going to take a picture with your iPad, and then you're going to submit it in the assignment section for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be on Zoom today again at 1 o'clock. Have a great day. Bye.